Hello everyone. Today we shall take a look at course management system and all the section that it contains. So I already copied the duplicate link of this template. Let's go ahead and see how to manipulate the entire template in a new, in a different Notion account. So here is it. So I'm going to go ahead and click on duplicate. So it basically duplicates into the current account on this browser. So the template has been duplicated. Course management system helps you track all of your courses and your students' performance to those courses. So let's take a look at each section one by one. So let's start with teacher's profile. So let's go ahead and delete this so that we can create our own. Click on new. So here we have a template for the teacher's profile. Click on that. So let's go ahead and quickly fill out all the details. So here we have all of the basic information of the teacher filled out, like the qualification certificate, joining letter, interest, work experience, and profile. And it's very well organized. So that is it for the teacher's profile.